Another day, another week, another story. One of them a better idea, not the information. Na then, ebe kawadrin, na musoma kawadrin, na any other queen. Welcome to Mobibi Akwababa, the Desert Show right here on Sammy Flex TV. Nenda ya masam na medreba. Why there? Nkofuru kade nipa na bakade muwo. What's mini? Muwo eni obisi nipa na samuwo. I will say which esde oni. Nenda say ehu bia. Or any Steeze ni demi or the tina ne private jets ni ma. No. Ampa private jets ne dia. Private jets no wato. Private jets no owo. Ono ntire nkofo na wokeka won ni no. Ono on show on ka ade a oni. No on phone boost da bi. Ono o ka no chede oliye ana owo. Oye wan na asem na America. Oye one don Shatta Wale. Killer Jimmy hitmaker. Bandana aka Shatta Wale. What say also our private jet? What's only private jet? Or Benna boy no private jet? On Ghana one or private jet? Sisia ne oko Kumasi or the private jets no okay. Also baby Shatta Wale wo no. Eho enije wo sikaso ho. Hwe pictures o look chegu screen no di. Onye ofewa. One private jet onye ne dia obetrem dem. One private jet onye ne dia obeskate dem. And anko we air hostess and a pilot but we don't know them. Steeze no. Very demure, very cutesy. That is one don Shatta Wale for you. Private jet now or controversy be ba on there on any dia and on toy us matter us was on toy no. Private jet na be nim. On our bano. Private jet na any dia. Oh Kumasi private jet to see Kumasi airport. Ntasa Kumasi airport na koko there airport Shatta Wale ni private jet me pere mu but say edge media on the screen ni. Moving on to our next story, you know. Oh yeah, the same one still on Shatta Wale's camp. Yeah, in him there on a Bulldog ni former manager ubenya issue bima no call back and forth say enim on a Bulldog one issue now. Mama phone call a chikaka as far as 2022 Shatta Wale on na mechanic on a manager Bulldog kunya some issue be now about the death of okay onye about them as some nipo or yeah even issue not about one team more the court my court put here then court them judge them will be fee. And I want to say, court judge okay, oh, AD or senior brother and junior brother sama. Enti ye fi court, ye de be fi na ya beka wasem. Ya beka wasem. Ema Shatta Wale bo chocho nsem bi de Bulldog ya obeka ada okecheren wo kukum about full act be oh yeah that was concerning Kokesine ex manager. That's Ochre. No. Ma Bulldog ne lawyers na de. Wo chocho ko samon Shatta Wale back wo no court. And some what Saturday already all pepe biom ba. All pepe biom and some little biom ma an interview or Angel FM or Kumasi. Angel FM or Kumasi Shatta Wale o kan sembi. O kan sembi there. What bre mbra o manim chida wanted Shatta Wale ide no one no court na Shatta Wale ide no one no court wa bre o me ko she video mbra
say bia wa hye ade wo dem na o free say ade say na be na I talk about e Ghana nipa bebre twen sa na for all of sudden we da sorry na ade na wo yesi a former member of you at the list Baba Twabonte say and name our be surprise Ghana ni uficha. How do you take that one?
Oh, I like where you've taken the matter to. This is Bulldog's matter.
Yeah.
And it's just I'm talking to you right now. I want to take this opportunity to tell every judge and lawyer that is listening to us that if people bring problems to them, that they see that this person is not important, they should beat the person there.
In the court.
Yeah, because bro, you see what you're saying? As I'm talking to you now, Bulldog, I sent him a letter. That was just last week. My catcher Sammy.
Oh wow.
Say, Sammy. And Sammy, you see what Ike is saying right now? That is revelation. That is what I want people to understand. How can you take my property and put it out there for free? Saying, oh, mume debut, ebi amani eduane.
Yeah.
Oh, mume dini eduane no. Me bufu ye no, odi akokot. Uni pa na ukofa problem no buy no, odi akokot. You see what men are judging on earth, we'll get to heaven and people will see that plenty men have sinned.
Yeah.
How can you behave to me like that? You the same person. Oh yeah, me sadie no. Me fa the same say ever bobo asom no. Odi akokot. Judge is one more court no. Omo ode omo bisa asem. Ba omo say yen follow me follow ya Ghana be my bre.
Until last week no serve.
And I'm like until lawyers no so tena na obi abese kasa omo bisa na asem no like what for asem no say okay yen serve Shatta. Me pese judge ni lawyer bia omo pese omo nye bibia Ghana na omo nye. Ye we election year. So obi antumi ma yen asomdwe a. I can't you hear brother. You see what you have said right now? It has been my problem from home. Ask me by now. Because I'm like, Auntie, Obi and Twin Busabuzo, I didn't know the guy no album no to abonte. Una woko say asem no. Auntie, find a way I apologize to your brother. And people forget. You call court no. Your first court na me no go judge no say, Bulldog, Shatta is your junior brother. Try and go and solve this matter. That was how we took the case out of the court. Your court now, you know. We knew myself. Say,
Angel.
we didn't enter lawyers no more. You were mentioning 200,000 Ghana cedi for lawyers. I was like, boo, me I can't do that kind of thing. Me papa over America, Leslie. And I can just say, okay, we need about 100,000 be amount. So we are smarter. Only who should Ghana over TikTok? Your friend only me say. Me also say I'm sure on TikTok. Ubet me smart. I don't know when smart.
Now when you are there.
Now on call Leslie. Leslie. But me no ubet me 20 kakra. But Bulldog a sound story. At the assembly court. Say court form frame me. Me person judge and a lawyer being frame Ghana. I got election on my posse. No, I'm being real with Ghana because, bro, like I'm getting tired with the system. Obi a pastor can say me wukra. Me call jail my pastor no. Because pastor no Peter. Pope John Paul. Onu ka say me wuna me wura up to now no. Aka sa pastor say influential na number Bantama Square. Na obi am bono mba be 50-50. How can we be living in a country like and all these foolish problems will be coming to me every time? Then now Shatta me you say now they be a bro, I'm tired with this matter. I don't know how you brought this matter up.
Because it was something that I was wondering, say, a day in a pushy man at the better one thing.
Oh,
and I said that time maybe I want to know be a man now because I was asking myself.
No, that was my project. That baby I might get me bro, my son the portfolio my feature American stars are yeah top the way I'm friend top
A listed
for Uncle Phone. I have the songs there. After Beyonce, the kind of features I've gotten, these are like top artists. So when that thing came out, I was like, boo, but so only dear girl cry. You dear girl in a certain way. But me fast, you know, because of Phyllis said, who did you what? This side. And 2% on koye we. Like some way. You understand me? What I'm saying, there are names in this thing that I don't want to mention.
Okay.
But I want to let Bulldog know that if he's listening to me, I am not going to court today and tomorrow. And I've given him $60,000 and one sonata. If he doesn't bring it, he should forget the court. No judge can come and force me to come to court and up and down. Me court in me talent. Me juma. Question now beside anybody that is listening to this interview should play from where you asked this question from. That was where the problem came from. I didn't cause any problem for Bulldog. So nobody should come and waste my time in this country because my bro, like me person no, because it's just looking like you know when they
you inspire a lot of people.
No, but bro, like I don't like it when the country is not even helping me. The country is not protecting me.
Yes, Anna, I'm better Shatta $1 cano. Also, what bread? In the interview, no, look at it. Like, Nala, oh no. Why frustrated? He said, on one day, then, on Fenya Bulldog biome. Because we can settle issue, no. On my Bulldog, $60 million. Na, car. Oh no, or then what can say, into about them biome, na, Bulldog was a sudden on an alcohol court biome. On an alcohol biome, on Tassie. On Saturday, Bulldog on an alcohol because Bulldog put on it Shatawale Ninjuma and an album wire Bulldog on Shatawale na all release here Bulldog po release no and then one for na court that Alabasamana kakana Bulldog was on an alcohol no say court no on kwande on court na so lawyer be and a judge be nim na oba friend na kere ye court and a bra court judge na kate obeti ni jejeleje judge ni beti na samia lawyer ni beti na samia na wa bre mbra wo Ghana ide wo ndimbuan oban Shatawale a mbra ni ndimbuan because pastor intim keja ni chapel day on pronounce death ma Shatawale won chi no but onu beja ono okaka na adwen kire sofo na wa china kese wa china ko prison ana wa china ko jail. What the jail wa bre also wa bre because say ono say Bulldog opere wo kadama sana on return sika no bra sika na ka na ode man no on return no fam bra na on Saturday de bia na on no court the only confirm was supporting and what gidi what turn nature and the fan base. On Saturday, apart from the fan base and Brown Ghana and Dimbuan, Penifa, when you want Dimbuan, lawyers, judges, when Dimbuan, what can ask them? No, about reply pay, not check on any pabon. What bre on Saturday, they biara. And that means some what the name now buano into a pere or for the Nissan Oshamana, or on to them, at the back for now buana on the back count. And but for now, and go scot free da. Or be Canadian natural. No, all the trend. A da lawyer and a judge be best friend there. Hello, Mr. Nyama. Okay, Shatawale. You are supposed to come to court. This court at blah 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 blah. No, then time no. Ghana day or bad done. The 7 December election all bano over person now akadamasem no as ya to election do na Shatawale na menuhu no worry on Tase yes to be mentase me follow stories be about Shatawale sometimes they know on your king the bacan. And to say, Mbanu Polidia, one di man, like one from Kofebiano, one for one di. Now, one of them. Now, because Shatawale on what canity, no watching. And I think that by now, they Mbrano or they Juma. Mbrano or they say equality before the law and equality law no day. No one is above the law, no one is under the law. We are all equal. It's be there. Shatawale day. Na ne worry na one pour out. Not the next one one pour out. This is the Deja Show right here on Sammy Flex TV. I'm out.